The room contains 2 shared table desks with 4 Mac computer workstations at each table. There is a small aisle between the left side of the workstations and the wall, and there is a wider path leading to a floor-to-ceiling window view to the right of the workstations. Outside, it is partly cloudy blue skies with towering view of cityscape.
Biosphere, the parts of Earth where life exists. The biosphere extends from the deepest root systems of trees to the dark environment of ocean trenches to lush rainforests and high mountaintops. Since life exists on the ground, in the air, and in the water, the biosphere overlaps all of these spheres. Although the biosphere measures about 20 kilometers from top to bottom, almost all life exists between about 500 meters below the ocean surface to about 6 kilometers above sea level. The biosphere has existed for about 3.5 billion years. The biosphere's earliest life forms, called prokaryotes, survived without oxygen. Ancient prokaryotes included single-celled organisms such as bacteria and archaea. Some prokaryotes developed a unique chemical process. They were able to use sunlight to make simple sugars and oxygen out of water and carbon dioxide, a process called photosynthesis. These photosynthetic organisms were so plentiful that they changed the biosphere. Over a long period of time, the atmosphere developed a mix of oxygen and other gases that could sustain new forms of life. The addition of oxygen to the biosphere allowed more complex life forms to evolve. Millions of different plants and other photosynthetic species developed. Animals, which consume plants and other animals, evolved. Bacteria and other organisms evolved to decompose or break down dead animals and plants. The biosphere benefits from this food web. The remains of dead plants and animals release nutrients into the soil and ocean. These nutrients are reabsorbed by growing plants. This exchange of food and energy makes the biosphere a self-supporting and self-regulating system. The biosphere is sometimes thought of as one large ecosystem, a complex community of living and non-living things functioning as a single unit. More often, however, the biosphere is described as having many ecosystems. People play an important part in maintaining the flow of energy in the biosphere. Sometimes, however, people disrupt the flow. For example, in the atmosphere, oxygen levels decrease and carbon dioxide levels increase when people clear forests or burn fossil fuels such as coal and oil. Oil spills and industrial waste threaten life in the hydrosphere. The future of the biosphere will depend on how people interact with other living things within the zone of life.
I got big news. We won the lottery. We're going big, baby. But first I thought I'd just let you know I love you and I'm thinking about you, and I'll give you a call when it's not 1 a.m. your time. Just getting home from the show now. Talk soon. Bye.